So the most interesting factoid I just learned about Lake Jocassee is that there's lots of babies conceived on this lake.
Yes, there is. I know for a fact of at least 7.
None today. So the gang's all here. Tracy and Danny over there getting their skis together. Michael's arrived. He's the fearless leader today. Lake Jocassee. We're at a state park boat ramp. Pretty steep ramps. All right, what's the plan, Michael?
All right, well, the plan is we're gonna have a fantastic day. We're gonna have destination after destination, and what these guys are gonna say afterwards when I ask them which waterfall is your favorite, y'all are gonna be like, shoot, I saw so many today, I really can't remember. But it's gonna be a gorgeous day. It's sunny, a little chilly right now, but it's gonna warm up. But I'm excited to have Bob, Danny, and Tracy.
All right, and it was flooded for energy purposes or water purposes? Energy?
Yep, for energy. It's a hydroelectric dam.
And Michael said we're going to see maybe 300 feet depth, which...
Yeah, here in about 4 minutes. Crazy.
So you guys ready?
On a cruise ship maybe, but not on a...
Now the reason it's so important to have a professional guide with you is that there is 0 cell phone service throughout the lake area. So you can't look anything up on Google Maps or anything like that. You need a guide. If you want to see the natural wonders that are shown in this video, contact Michael.
Wow. Take a look at a picture from 1965. This was all farmland in a valley. And it's about 300 feet deep. Beautiful morning out here. 132 feet deep. And this is where they cut out all the rock. They blasted it out and they used it to form the dam that we're going to see tomorrow. And baby, we're not in Florida anymore. Very cool, Michael.
Higher, you can go all the way in.
Oh, wow. You're good. Might be better just turn it off. Wow. What's the name of this one?
This is Lower Laurel, L-A-U-R-E-L.
All right.
Laurel Falls. Meniscus Falls.
Meniscus, all right.
Ask me how
How's your knee?
Normally I clip and then we walk right up that. Yeah. Yeah, that's on so but it's nice for everybody to experience the different water levels.
Wow. Yeah, come on Tracy, you got it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Whoa. Well, of course, Danny and Tracy and I are wading through the water. Michael just never gets wet. He just steps right off the rocks onto his ski.
Isn't it great not having tons of boats? And like I said, that's the reason why I chose this week, is after this week is when the kids start getting out of school.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Woo.
In Vancouver? No. It's really, have you ever?
So, but yeah, I could tell by the
Maybe still starting. So deep, and then you come to an inlet and there's a river flowing in just a couple feet deep with rapids. Crazy.
where we get off the skis and kind of walk on up.
Alright.
Yeah, like I said, with the water level low, which, man, the water level's even dropped since we've been here.
Oh really?
Yeah, 'cause they know they're producing the electricity, because they know Greenville's going to be using the air conditioning shortly. The water level's down.
Very nice. Light Creek Falls. There they are on top of the waterfall. Only one of them fell. Well, Lake Jocassee is an adventure, that's for sure. So working their way down. Nobody's broken a leg yet. Danny took one fall, but he did it gracefully. Getting his glamour shot. You crack me up, Sam.
Why?
You just do. Ramming speed. I got Gator Glide.
Gator Glide. Soft bed.
I got Gator Glide. It's fucking ramming speed.
Yep. So this right here is called Sacrificial Rock. The reason why it's called Sacrificial Rock is this is coming straight from Claudia Whitmire Hembry. She's the only person alive who used to live in then, Jocassee Valley. But this is where the Indians were always butting heads with each other. So every now and then they had issues, and they would snatch one, and bam. So she said it was on the north side, so this is the north side of the rock. She said this is where they would do the whacking.
Keep that in mind, guys.
Keep that in mind.
We're gonna pick you up, okay?
Wow.
The path we're gonna take
sorry.
All right, smile for the wifey.
Oh, you had a one on me, didn't you? Yeah.
Oh, can't believe they just did that. Eventually.
Yeah, I know.
Especially for you short guys.
Take your time, not a race.
You want to go towards the rock he's on.
Nice day right there.
We haven't killed them yet. Wow. Ah, just crazy beautiful.
Let's just take that off and I come right here where it's sunny. Yeah, we usually hear about 3, 4 o'clock.
Now the crazy thing about Danny swimming across there is we all took our eyes off him after he got across, and we thought he'd be waiting for us to finish the bushwhack. He went on down the waterfall, and for 60 seconds we thought something bad had happened to him. But luckily we found him around the next bend in the river.
All right, how was it?
Great. Great.
Look at his knees. It's a little red. Good luck on that. We talked about what we do with your ski, if we would sell it for gas money up here on the way home or what. You gave us a bit of a fright for like 60 seconds.
When I went down the falls,
We didn't know where you were.
oh. Well, I heard you guys, that's why I yelled, so you could hear me.
Yeah, Michael was looking under snags and caves and stuff just to make sure there wasn't a bigger story here. So this is the dam. They blasted off that wall there and kept stacking it. And we're going to be on the other side in Lake Kiwo, no, we call it Kiwo, Kiwi, tomorrow. It drops off like a cliff. Yeah. This is so weird, the butterflies and the big bees coexisting. That is really interesting.
One last scramble to the top of the beach.
Top of the beach, real pretty pine forest. So Michael said when he was 16 there's different levels you can jump over there, 20, 40, 60, and then the highest one's 98 feet. Did you do the 98 foot one?
Yes, I did.
He did the 98 foot one. So we're thinking of doing it today, maybe sending Danny off first. Beautiful water, crystal clear. Wow, that's a thumbnail picture right there. Just an amazing way to end the tour of Jocassee Lake. White sand beach. Where that water turns dark about 30 feet out, it goes right to 90 feet. Got the skis there. Got the guys here.
What's up?
Just friggin'
We made
great.
it.
Michael, we thank you for this tour, man.
No worries. My phrase, besides always be prepared to fall,
Yeah?
is rain or shine, hot or cold, Jocassee is my gold.
There you go. And there's no better way to end that.
No.
We're going to the next lake tomorrow. Where are we going tomorrow?
Lake Keowee. Keowee.
All right. But this wraps it up for today at Jocassee. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you on the next video, the next adventure. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Peace.